Right there, Year 12. Well done. We've now done 3 weeks. It's amazing how quickly you actually get back into routine. And it's hard to believe that it was 22 weeks since we last gathered. It's a shame that we can't speak face to face, but given the situation, we have to make the best of it. And it is along those lines that my message this week is about the procedures that are in place. First of all, we all seem very, very comfortable with the one-way system. Moving around the school is not really creating any problems. But you have to think about your social responsibility. There are 900 plus of us in the Campbell community, all working together. And we have a social responsibility to each other. So it's essential that you wear your face masks when required inside the school building. At the moment, we're struggling with this. And think of it this way, you certainly wouldn't like to pass anything on to your family or bring it home when you go to visit your grandparents. So we look out for each other. We look out for those in our Campbell community, and then by doing that, we look after our families at home. The other thing Year 12 is struggling with is social distancing. It's quite clear. Stay 2 meters apart where possible, 1 meter maybe perhaps in the classroom. But we don't need to gather in large groups. Even if we're outside, let's maintain some degree of social distancing to keep each one of us safe. I would extend that further, perhaps outside at the weekends or in the evenings when you're hanging out together. The government were even discussing whether to reduce those numbers and things. So let's just err on the side of caution and be safe at all times. So the other last thing I want to mention in this respect to the new start of the term is our uniform. It's important that we don't take a mile when we're given that inch. The head will change the rules, I'm sure. So let's make it, not the Year 12s responsible for this. Remember the rules. We are allowed our games kit on games days and PE kits on PE days. Let's not have a hybrid of all of the regulations. You are permitted to wear your school uniform if your hoodie is in the wash, for example. So that's all the rules and regulations. It's essential that we all play our part in sticking to them. But the main focus for me now is getting the best out of you each and every day. This is such an important year that the message that we give as a tutor team, as your head of year and your subject teachers, etc., will be about that August envelope. How great would it be when you open that envelope that you've got the grades that you deserve, you've fulfilled your potential, even exceeded it. And that gives you a free choice at A level to come back to the college and pick whatever you want, or go to tech, or even apply for that job you've always wanted. It is such an important stepping stone onto the next rung of the ladder, whatever that may be. And all we want is the best for you. This year, it was a difficult situation, and it ended up that the teachers had to predict your grades. No one has a crystal ball. No one knows what the future holds in respect to this pandemic and how grades will be awarded, whether we sit exams or we don't. So it is clear that my message is, do your best each and every day. And if you do that, you will be in a really strong position no matter what happens. If we don't get far to the examinations like this year, then the teachers have to base it on evidence. And the evidence we have will be the work that you submit this year in homeworks, class tests, or progress cards. So therefore, each homework and each test matter. And if you can do the best that you can, you will see a real advantage as we progress through the year. All we want as a pastoral team is the best for you and for you to achieve success. Therefore, we are going to work all together to achieve that. And we'll harp on about it as we go through the year. So we are 3 weeks in. There's still a long way to go. So we need to tighten up in terms of what we can do to help each other through this. And we need to look after ourselves a bit better in terms of uniform and effort in the classroom. And I have absolutely no doubt we will do well and we will achieve success together. Take care.